Martha, let's get to work.
Hold it right there, buddy. VIP only.
I am VIP.
We'll see about that. Spread them.
What are you doing? What are you even wearing?
Try to slip one by me, eh?
The squeegee.
Nope.
Clean windows sell.
Why is it always people like you who think they're above the rules?
It's just a broom.
Nope, can't do it. And this?
That's a leaf blower. And if it makes you feel any better, I am actually happy to see you.
All right, party pants. Let's get to work.
It's about time. Security? Welcome to 2430 Stokes Avenue in Pinole Valley. This charming 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath home sits on a desirable corner lot and features 1,658 square feet of living space.
Enjoy gleaming hardwood floors, a kitchen with quartz countertops, a gas stove, and double ovens, plus a versatile bonus room. Features include fresh paint, new flooring, and a covered patio.
Close to parks, walking trails, Trader Joe's, and more. Don't miss this rare gem on the market for the first time in 25 years.